Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change this button here. It says shop now or buy it now button. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how you can change buy now button or shop now button color. Okay, this is going to be a very quick and easy tutorial. If this one guys helped you, because like this is like the first video talking about this topic, like most people most people that are going to make this video are going to think that you are talking about the buy now button inside the product page, not the shop now, this button here. Now what you guys need to do is you want to go to your online store, like here in the left here, and you want to click on here, okay, these little dots next to customize, and click on edit code. And after that you want to search here for this file. It's called base.css. now this is like down theme. I'm using down theme. If you are using, for example, let's say you are using another theme, probably you will see something like custom.css or style.css, okay, or theme.css. okay, just need to find a file that ends in .css. After that you want to click on it and scroll down at the very bottom. You want to paste the code that I'm going to add in the description of this tutorial. Just go to the description and you will find this code. Now just paste it here and then click on save. Now I'm going to check if the color has changed or not. Now as you can see, it's red. Now you can change it, by the way, to any color you want. So to do that, you need to go to Google and search for the color that you want, or you can just search for color picker code, okay, and click on color picker HTML code. And now you can choose which color you want. I'm going to choose here, for example, this color. Now after done, this is the code that you need to copy, okay? This is the color code. All right, now what you guys need to do, go back to the code where you have pasted the code, and as you can see, this is the code color. You just need to replace it with any code color you want. I'm going to replace it to the new color and click on save. As you can see, now the color is going to change from let me check, from like red to yellow. As you can see, you can also change the text color if you want. Now if you have any questions, you don't understand anything or something like that, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to comments below. I can give you any code you want about anything you want, any customization on your Shopify. Let me know in the comments. Please drop a like and see you guys in the next tutorial. If this one helped you, please drop a like and that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next tutorial.